Hi allesammen. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about colors in Norwegian and how to use them. Here are some tips for learning Norwegian fast and some basic guidelines for using colors in Norwegian. The words colors in Norwegian is farge, farge. When using colors with nouns in the plural, add e. Svarte skyer, svarte skyer. Black clouds. When a noun is in a definite form, add e as well. This is true even in singular. Det hvite papiret. Det hvite papiret. The white paper. Kan du hente det hvite papiret? Kan du hente det hvite papiret? Can you get the white paper? De svarte jakkene. De svarte jakkene. Jeg liker de svarte jakkene. Jeg liker de svarte jakkene. I like the black jackets. When colors describe an indefinite neuter noun in the singular, add the suffix te. Et rødt papir. Et rødt papir. A red paper. Et hvitt hus. Et hvitt hus. A white house. Note that blå, blå, blue, and grå, grå, gray, and hvit, hvit, white, get te with neuter nouns. Et blått kjøtt, et blått kjøtt, a blue skirt. Et hvitt papir, et hvitt papir, a white paper, and so on. Blå, blå, blue. Grå, grå, grey. Oransje, oransje, orange. Lilla, lilla, purple. Beige, beige, beige. And rosa, rosa, pink, have no modification in the plural. For example, blå hus, blå hus, blue houses. Grå gardiner, grå gardiner, grey curtains. Oransje, orange, oransje. Lilla, lilla, purple. Beige, beige, beige. And rosa, rosa, pink, does not alter according to gender or number to comply with the word they modify. For example, et rosa kjøtt, et rosa kjøtt, a pink skirt. En rosa bil, a pink car.